Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to build your foundation walls in Revit. So the first thing that you need to do is go into one of your elevation views. So I'm in my east view right now. And what we need to do, if you don't have one already, is we need to make a new foundation level. In order to do that, we're going to go to the Architecture tab, we're going to go to Level, and we're going to click on the left side of my screen and drag all the way out here until it snaps in with my other data markers. I'm going to right click and say cancel to finish that command. And now I want to go and rename this level 9 to foundation. The depth of my foundation I'm going to set to be -3 feet or 3 feet below the surface. And now you're going to see that we have a new line that's below the surface of our home. And we also have a new floor plan name called foundation. So from this point, I'm going to double click on my foundation floor plan, and we're going to see our level 1 floor plan as our overlay. Now, if this isn't showing up for you, make sure you scroll down under your properties and take a look at your underlay features. They should look something like this. If it's still not showing up, see if you can experiment and play around with some of these different options until it works. So there's a couple of things I need to do before I start actually making my foundation walls. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select my wall, and I'm going to select my basic retaining wall, which we're going to be used to frame out my foundation here. Now for this, my base constraint is actually going to be level 1. My base constraint is going to be the foundation, and my top constraint is going to be up to level 1. And what I can do now is I can use my line tool to start to trace out the walls to my foundation. So I'm just going around to every single one of my exterior walls. I notice that each corner it turns into a pink square, and that's indicating that's the endpoint and the vertical alignment between each one of my walls. So I'm going to go ahead and press escape to get out of my wall creation tool. And I'm going to go to my 3D view to see the walls I just created. So these look pretty nice here. What I want to do with these foundations is I want to go ahead and add a footing. And the function of a footing is to just disperse the load off of a larger area. So I'm going to rotate to the bottom of my floor plan here, and I'm going to go to structure. Under the foundation panel of structure, I have my structural foundation wall here. And what I can do is I can go around and I can click on every single one of my exterior walls, and that's going to add a spread footing. So if you go to the 3D view of your house, after adding the foundation, you should have something that looks like this. Hope that helps. Thank you for watching.